In a land not so far away, there was once a little girl with the beauty of an angel. She grew up with so much love and kindness. She is loved by everybody for her beauty inside and out. Her voice is an angel. Her smile bears no limit. Her heart is unafraid. Her mind is ready to try. She's ready for any adventure for the sake of fun and friendship. More refined than shy, more adventurous than playful, more charismatic than charming, more alluring than beautiful. Indeed, she has all grown up, and what a sight she has become. Let us give a big round of applause and welcome our debutante with the admiration and celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Faith kisses Leon Biabat in her grand cotillion, together with Miss Ivy Sarah and Mr. Sian Christian Abad. Miss Kizzy Marie Magisa and Mr. Jose Nigo Liwag. Let's give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Miss Janela Altea Cortez and Mr. Ariel Lantayona. Miss Charlene Carrasco and Mr. Tristan Toscano. Mr. Arvin Santos and Miss Janela Cortez. Next we have Miss Hannah Grace Basilio and Mr. Jan Emmanuel Basilio. Miss Alia Avalos and Mr. Lance Vincent Serra. And now, ladies and gentlemen, with her partner, Mr. John Aris Santos, let's give a big round of applause once again to Miss Faith Kisses Leon Abad. A round of applause, please.
Take my hand, take a breath, pull me. Take my hand, take a breath, pull me close and take one step. Keep your eyes locked on mine and let the music be your guide. Now won't you promise me that you'll never forget to keep dancing wherever we go next? It's like catching lightning, the chances of finding someone like you is one in a million. The chance
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give a big round of applause to our debutante. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, our host for this celebration, Mr. Ronmar Gamboa. All right, good evening, everybody. Today is Sunday, June 30 of 2024. Welcome to the hot and legal party of our charming debutante who is now turning into a fine lady. This is a day of celebration, and I'm extremely delighted that you are all here to celebrate this important milestone in Kisses life. Welcome to the celebration of life, and I'm your host for this evening, your most requested and most awaited MC in the party. From Zaragoza National High School, this is your Sansing Renmar Arimbuyutan Gamboa. Wala ko ba masigabong palakpakan dyan! And to start our program, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to acknowledge the key persons who took great part for this joyous affair. For without their support, this event would not be possible. Sabi nga po, sa isang kasabihan, sa buhay marami tayong makilalang kapuso, pero ang kapamilya ay isa lamang. Ladies and gentlemen, the family of Kisses. Let's start with her brother, Aldrich Christian! Palakpakan po natin. Hi, Aldrich! Come here, bunso! Ayan, come on! Palakpakan niyo po si Aldrich. Wow! Ang pogi naman, bunso pa lamang po yan. Next, we have, of course, Sean Christian! Alright! And of course, para mapatunayan kung talagang saan ba nagmula yung mga nagagawapuhan, nagagandahang batang ito, pakilala na po natin the parents of our debutante, ladies and gentlemen, Daddy Christian and Mommy Lynn. I love it! I love the suit and the gown. Parang nasa red carpet talaga nga naman. And of course, at this moment, yes, friends, ladies and gentlemen, let us all stand for a while. Tatayo po tayo panandalian. Tatayo po tayong lahat for a while as we welcome our debutante as a woman of grandeur, now hot and legal. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's give a big round of applause for Miss Faith Kisses Leon B. Abad. Bigyan po natin siya ng isang masigabong palakpakan.
Isn't she wonderful?
Alright.
Isn't she precious? Less than one
Nakaka-
minute.
our
Isn't she
program.
lovely? Made from
Picture,
love.
picture.
Isn't she pretty?
Alright.
Only the angels begs. Boy, I'm so happy.
Once again, alam po bang masigabong palakpakan dyan? Ayan po. Kita-kita naman kung sa nagmana ang mga magaganda at magagwapuhang mga bata sa ating harapan. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to continue our program, we believe that the guidance of the Lord is for always the best thing that we should consider. So may I request everybody to remain stand. And may I call in Miss Ruth Hazel Ann Basilio to lead our short prayer.
Let us close our eyes. Let us close our eyes and feel the presence of our Lord Jesus Christ. Ama, maraming salamat po sa araw na ito. Pinupuri ka po namin at pinapasalamatan sa buhay na ipinagkaloob niyo po sa lahat ng nandito ngayon. Sa aming pamilya, sa lahat ng kaibigan na kasama po namin ngayon. Salamat po sa buhay na patuloy niyo po yung pinagkakaloob, pati na po ang mga blessings na natatanggap po namin araw-araw. Salamat po sa mga taong nagbigay ng oras. Pagpalain niyo po sila, ganun din po ang pamilya na nag-prepare ngayon ng event na ito. Salamat po sa kanilang buhay, Panginoon. Sa inyo po namin binabalik ang papurit pasasalamat. Sa gabi po na ito, kayo po ang patuloy na pumatnubay sa amin. Kayo po ang patuloy na magbigay ng magandang panahon hanggang matapos po ang gabi na ito. Kayo po ang magbigay ng mga ngiti hanggang sa pag-uwi po namin. Ganon din po ang may nagdadaos ng kaarawan na si Faith Kisses, Panginoon. Bigyan niyo pa po siya ng mas mahaba pang buhay at mas marami pang blessing. Ganon din po ang kanyang buong pamilya. Kayo na po ang manguna sa amin. Nuulit ko po, sana po ay makauwi po kami ng ligtas at makauwi po kami ng masaya, Panginoon. Sa inyo po ang papurit pasasalamat sa pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
Thank you so much, Ma'am. And at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, to welcome us all here, let me give this microphone, of course, to the ever-supportive and lovable parents of our debutant. Palakpakan po natin ang naging busy sa mga araw. Daddy, alika dito. We have Daddy Christian and Mommy Lynn. Palakpakan po natin sila.
Good evening. A warm word welcome to everyone as we are about to celebrate my daughter Kisses' 18th birthday. Thank you for coming today. It is a delight to have you with us and special to those who have traveled from afar. I want to take this opportunity to thank both sides of my family for the undying support and prayers to my own family. I also have a very special person I need to thank, and that is my husband, for the love, support, and for giving me 3 of the best gifts any woman can ask for my children. Kisses, our birthday girl, Sian and Aldrich. So now, let's capture some magical moments. Let's create happy memories and surround ourselves with laughter and friendship as we celebrate this special occasion. Have fun and thank you all for joining us.
Thank you so much, Ma'am. And at this moment, a birthday celebration is not complete without a parlor game, right? Pero bago yon, upo muna ang pamilya ni Kisses. Iwanan muna po natin si Kisses dyan. Ayan, so bago po tayo magtungo sa ating mga birthday symbols, ayan, ay syempre, since it's a birthday celebration, magkakaroon muna po tayo ng palaro, alright? Na may syempre, may prize. At it is very simple. Meron lamang po akong tanong. Sure po bang masigabong palakpakan dyan? Maraming salamat.
Ayan, message. Ayan, happy birthday, Kisses. Wala akong ibang wish sa'yo or I should say prayer na lang. Sa lahat naman ng magpinsan, pinagpe-pray ko kayo lagi and ikaw, I will continue pray for you and galingan mo sa pag-aaral mo. Ano na lang, lagi kang, lahat ng matatanggap mong blessing, lahat ng makakamit mo sa buhay, dream man yan, dream job, or kahit maliliit na bagay hanggang sa pinakamalaking bagay, lagi mo lang ibalik yung papuri at pasasalamat sa Panginoon natin. So, yun yung wag mong kakalimutan. Kasi, pag pinagpatuloy natin ang pasasalamat sa Panginoon, mas lalo pa niya tayong ibe-bless. So, yun lang. Maging mabuti kang bata. Hanggat na kila mami at dati, sumunod sa, sumunod. At wag mo nang mag-boyfriend. No? Totoo yan, wag mo na mag-boyfriend kasi darating yan. Ibibigay at ibibigay yun ng Panginoon sa atin. So, yun lang. Happy birthday. Love you.
Maraming salamat po. Ala po bang masigabong palakpakan dyan? Next, we have Mrs. Cecilia Cortez and Miss Rhoda Cortez. Ma'am, dito po tayo. Once again, Ma'am Cecilia Cortez and Miss Rhoda Cortez. Alright. Ala po bang masigabong palakpakan dyan?
Hi, Kisses. Hello. How are you feeling? Are you okay? Nervous? Okay, it's all right. So happy 18th birthday, and I wishing you that sana lahat ng wish mo ay matupad, and mangyayari yon kapag lagi tayong nagdadasal, and lagi tayong nanghihingi ng help sa ating Panginoon. So, yun lang, and happy birthday.
Next po.
Happy birthday, Kisses. Advice ko lang sa'yo, mag-aral ng mabuti at sundin ang payo ng magulang. Yun lang. God bless you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And now let's move on with Miss Princess Arisa de la Cruz and Mrs. Beth Esser. Once again, palakpakan po natin, Ma'am Beth Esser.
Kisses, happy birthday. Salamat at naging bahagi ako sa special na araw na ito. Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay matupad, tsaka maging mabait na bata. Yun lang. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Next, we have Mrs. Juliet Ocampo and Mrs. Lonnie Ocampo. Once again, a warm applause for Ma'am Juliet and Ma'am Lonnie.
Hi, Kisses. Happy 18th birthday. Wish you all the best. Nasabi na ata, copy-paste na lang po. Huwag ka muna magbo-boyfriend. Mga pinsan mo, ganun din. Mag-aral ka buti. Maging good ka sa parents mo, sa lahat. Saka sa mga kapatid mo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kisses. Wala na akong sabihin. Sabi na nila. Thank you.
Ayan, nakalimutan po ata ni Ma'am yung sasabihin. Di bali pong makalimutan yung sasabihin, wag lang po yung sobre, ano po. Joke lang po. Alright, now let's move on to Mrs. Vel Santiago and Mrs. Ruby Sison. Ala po bang palakpakan dyan? Kung sino po ang pinakamalakas ang palakpak, pinagmamasdan ko po, yun po yung table na una kong tatawagin mamaya pagkakain na po. Alright? Ayon. Once again, Ma'am Vel and Ma'am Ruby in their black dress.
Happy birthday, Kisses. Sana matupad mo ang lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. At salamat sa aming mga ninuno at pinagkalooban kami na magandang lahi. Yun lamang.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Yun eh.
Happy birthday, Kisses. Pagbutihan mo yung pag-aaral mo kasi andyan lang yung parents mo para nakasupport lagi sa'yo. Huwag ka muna magbo-boyfriend, study first. Sana makapagtapos ka. Salamat kasi naging bahagi kami ng birthday mo. Thank you for inviting us. Yun lang.
Thank you so much. And now let's have Mrs. Catherine Yanga and Miss Melanie Alberto. Alright, once again, palakpakan naman po tayo dyan. Sino kaya ang unang table ang tatawagin ko mamaya? Katakot. Binibilang ko po.
Happy birthday, Kisses. Good health. May all your dreams come true. Then, mag-aral na mabuti at makikinig lagi sa payo ng iyong mga magulang. Happy birthday.
Maraming salamat po. And now let's have Mr. Andy Esteban and Mrs. Jane Dominic Ocampo. Ang malakas dun ah.
Hello, Kisses. Happiest birthday. Ito ay pinapibigay ni Tito Butch at ni Tita Nikki. On behalf of Tita Nikki and Tito Butch, we wish you the best. And sa age mo na yan, 18 years old, always prioritize your mental health and romanticize your life and live your life to the fullest. Ayun.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now let's have Dr. Jose Protasio Ocampo and Mrs. Imelda Santos. Ano yun? Ba't parang may fans club? Alright. Ay, si ma'am.
Happy birthday, Pangken. Sana sundin mo lagi yung payo ng iyong mami at daddy. Lagi kang magdadasal. God bless.
Alright. Now let's have Mr. Victor Serra. Once again, Mr. Victor Serra.
Happy birthday, Kisses. Napakapalad mo kasi binigyan ka ng mga parents mo na isang ganitong kabonggang birthday. Mamaya, pagdating mo sa bahay, akapin mo sila. Sabihin mo, Mommy, Daddy, thank you. At sana, pag nakatapos ka na pag-aaral, mapalitan mo naman yung sila naman ang mga paligaya mo. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, sir. Now let's have, of course, Mrs. Catherine Yanga. Nawawala na po ang ating palakpakan. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Kisses. Ang ganda-ganda mo. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And to complete, of course, our 18 Blue Bills, let's have the ever-lovable and ever-supportive mom of our debutant. Ladies and gentlemen, Mommy Lynn Abad. Ayoko na pa ganyan. Alright! po bang palakpakan dyan? Parang gusto ko na rin magdibo pag ganito.
Anak, congratulations on your college journey. Mas lalo mo pa sanang pagbuti pag-aaral mo. Para sa'yo to.
Ala po bang palakpakan dyan? Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Eileen. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That ends our 18 Blue Bills. Once again, for the photo op with our debutant, let's have once again our 18 Blue Bills. Sinatawagan po lahat na naging parte ng ating 18 Blue Bills to please proceed to the center stage as we have our photo op with our debutant. Thank you so much.
Opo, sana ngayong araw na ito ang iyong dibu. Sana ay pagbuti mo ang pag-aaral mo para makamit mo ang mga mithiin mo sa buhay. At sana huwag ka muna mag-aasawa at itaguin mo muna ang mga kapatid mo. Happy birthday! Ang masasabi ko lang sa iyo ay mahalin mo ang iyong mga magulang at huwag mo silang kalilimutan. Happy birthday.
Alright. Ayan ang kanya lola. Wait lang po, mami. Diyan ka lang, tita. Ayan. Diyan ka lang.
Hello?
Naka-live po tayo sa ABS-CBN.
Happiest birthday, Kisses. 18th birthday, ano. So, dalaga na. Ang wish ko sa iyo, makes all your dream comes true. Good health. God bless you. At sana lahat-lahat ng pangarap mo matupad and be a good girl always.
Salamat po,
Ang
ma'am.
gift na to,
Ay.
alam ko, magugustuhan mo to. Kasi, basta, favorite.
Favorite niya, ma'am, yan. That is ice cream. Chocolate flavor. Alright, joke lang po. Now, let's have Ma'am or Mrs. Nanita Agapito and Mr. Christian Arances. Palakpakan naman po natin sila, ma'am and sir.
Okay, good evening po sa ating lahat. Okay, Pangken. Happy 18th birthday. I wish you all the best. At kung ang sinasabi nila ay huwag kang magba-boyfriend, ako baligtad. Mag-boyfriend ka, Pangken, kasi yun ay yun ay isang inspirasyon, dagdag lang yun. Pero hindi ka muna talaga mag-aasawa. Sana lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay ay matupad. At tama'y sabi nila, napakapalad mo kasi napakaraming gustong ng ganitong event. Pero ito, binigay ng Lord, binigay ng mga magulang mo sa'yo. Kaya give thanks talaga sa kanila kasi yan ay isang uri ng isang pagmamahal ng mga magulang. Sana matupad mo yung lahat ng pangarap mo, ibigay mo din yan sa iyong mga magulang soon pag nakagraduate ka. Happy 18th birthday.
All right. Next, sir.
Happy birthday, inaanak Kisses. Wish ko lang, sana lagi mong titignan kung gaano kapursige yung mga magulang mo. Kasi yan ang magpapatatag sa'yo para maging matapang ka sa mga pagsubok sa buhay. Lagi mo na lang pagbubutihan ang iyong pag-aaral ko. Alam ko, makakamit mo lahat ng iyong mga minimiti sa buhay. Lagi ka lang maging mabuting tao. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Kisses.
All right, thank you so much, sir. And now, let's have Mr. Ranjan Yuri Badwa and Mrs. Antonina Basilio. Yan. Palakpakan naman po natin sila.
Ises, Apo, sana matupad mo lahat ang iyong mga pangarap. Sana marami mang birthday ang dumating sa buhay mo. Thank you sa darating pang mga araw na iyong birthday. Apo.
Alright. Lola, kung kayo po tatanungin, okay lang po na mag-boyfriend na si Kisses?
Kanya lang, pwedeng mag-boyfriend, wag
Opo.
munang mag-aasawa.
Alright. Ganun din. Ayan. I love it, Lola. Diyan lang po kayo. Naka-live po tayo sa ABS-CBN. Okay? Sige, Bunso.
Happy 18th birthday po, Ate Kisses. More blessings and birthdays to come.
Thank you po. Ayan, palakpakan po natin sila. Now, let's move on to Miss Chris Saint Galardo and Mrs. Aida Serra. Tinitignan ko po yung table na lagi pumapalakpak para alam ko po yung table na unang tatawagin. Mamaya, pagkakain na tayo. Yung isa pumapalakpak pati paa. Ayan.
Babasahin ko. Lesson plan.
Lesson plan.
Hello, Kisses. Happy 18th birthday, my dear niece. This is a momentous occasion that symbolizes your transition into adulthood. Hope today will inspire you to take new steps, help you to make mature decisions for greater goods. May the good Lord always keeps you happy, smiling, and protect you, and bless you with all the amazing things you'll do with the rest of your life. Enjoy your 18th birthday and be thankful to your parents because they made an effort to give you a luxurious birthday like this. Happy 18th birthday and we love you always.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Kala kong opening niya at the end of the day or at the end of the night. Alright. Maraming salamat po, ma'am. Now let's have Miss Nicole Taladro and Mr. Arky Jamir Tomas.
Happy birthday, Kisses. May BFF since grade 7 hanggang ngayon. Love you.
Happy birthday, Kisses. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay.
Parang kikwentuhan lang kayo dyan, ah. Alright? Now let's have, of course, Mr. Tristan Toscano and Miss Hannah Grace Basilio. Medyo malakas sa part dito, ano?
Low, my check. Happy birthday, Kisses. Sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. Thank you.
Hey, 18 right here!
Hey!
So, ayun po, happy birthday, Kisses, Seski. Kung ako sa'yo, huwag mo silang pakinggan. Charot lang. Itago mo na yung blue bills na yan kasi pupunta pa tayong 17 concert. Yay! So, happy birthday, mahal na mahal kita. And magkape na tayo ulit kahit chocolate lang na may ino-order mo. So, ayan, thank you. I love you so much.
All right, thank you so much. I love the energy. And now let's have Miss Micah Isobel Basilio and Miss Charlene Carrasco. nahihiya daw po kasi alam palakpakan. Alright.
Happy 18th birthday, Kisses. Thank you for being my rant buddy. You are such an amazing person I've ever known. Wishing you nothing but the best in life. Yun lang. Tita Lee, nasan ka? Pwede na po ba mag-boyfriend si Kisses? Ano mo yung mom?
Alright. Sabi ng mga lola. Okay daw. Alright, maraming salamat po. Next.
Happy birthday, Kisses. Dahil birthday mo, sa'yo muna si S-Coops, tsaka si Wonu. Kami lang nakakaintindi nun kasi K-pop no? So, happy birthday and nandito lang kami ng mga ate mo for you. So, sana, I pray na matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Yun lang. Ang ganda mo today. Lagi.
Alright, thank you so much. Now let's move on to Miss Janela Althea Cortez and Miss Angel Legaspi.
Hello, happy birthday, Kisses. Sobrang thankful ako kasi naging magkaibigan tayo since 2022 and kahit online lang yon, tinuring mo talaga akong real friend. And thank you din kasi every time na may problem ako, nalalapitan kita at binibigyan mo ako ng mga advice. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay good health, maging successful ka, maging masaya ka at makapunta tayo sa concert ng 17. Yun lang, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Faith. This gift symbolizes my appreciation for the comfort you give me during both joyful and challenging times. Know that you will forever hold a cherished place in my heart, and our unmatched friendship will remain an everlasting testament to the beauty of connection. Thank you for being with me, and know that I'll always be here for you too. Good luck on your college life, and I love you.
All right. Thank you so much. And to complete our 18 treasures, we have Mr. Jose Inigo Liwag and Miss Crazy Marie Magisa. Ala po bang palakpakan dyan?
Happy birthday, Faith. May God bless you you today with more love than your heart can hold.
Happy birthday, Faith. Sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo din. And thank you dahil naging kaibigan ka namin.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our 18 treasure. And once again, for our photo op, I would like to invite once again the 18 treasures. All right, for the photo op with, of course, our debutant, we have Emel.
Me to love, to hold and idolize. And as I hold your body near, I see this month through to a year. And then forever on till life is gone, I'll keep your loving near. And now I finally found my way.
Let's have a simple waltz. Ayan, hold your ankle and dance.
Alright.
Alam mo bang palakpakan dyan?
Give me room to grow. Shone the light of love on me and gave me yes so I can
Parang di nag-aaway Joke lang po. And now, let's move on to the next bachelor. We have Mr. Sam Robbie Abad.
You give me strength so I stand tall. In this bed of earth just like a rose. And when I
Ups, ang rule po natin dito, bawal iwanan ng bubuyog ang bulaklak hanggat hindi pa dumarating ang susunod na bubuyog. Alright? Oh, ayan na. Okay, pwede nang umalis, kuya. Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Thank you so much. And now, let's have Mr. Sian Christian Abad. Another bro of our debutant. Wala ho bang palakpakan dyan? And now let's move on to Mr. Cesar Basilio.
You treat me like you treat me like you give me room, you give me room to shine the light of love.
Wala ho bang palakpakan dyan?
So I can breathe. You open doors I close. In a world where anything goes, you give me strength so I stand tall within this bed of earth, just like a rose. Oh, like a rose.
And now let's have Mr. Charles Louis Basilio.
You treat me like a rose. No, 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 no. You give me strength.
Wala ho bang palakpakan dyan?
Within this bed of earth, just like a rose. I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead.
Our next bachelor,
I found
we
a
have Mr.
girl,
Jerome Basilio.
beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in
Wala ho
love.
bang palakpakan
Not
dyan?
knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own. And in your eyes, you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark.
And now let's move on to the next rose. We have Mr. Chad Emmanuel Basilio.
Listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling. You
Wala ho bang palakpakan dyan? Thank you.
Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just.
And now let's have Mr. Lance Basilio.
Children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against.
Palakpakan naman po dyan. Salamat po.
This time, darling, just hold
now let's move on to the next bachelor. We have Mr. Dov De La Cruz.
When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this, darling. You look perfect.
Wala ho bang palakpakan dyan?
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark, with you between my arms, barefoot on the
Another rose will be coming from Mr. Ariel Lantayona.
I have faith in what I see.
Alam mo bang palakpakan dyan?
I've met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve it. You look perfect tonight.
What if I never knew? What if I never found you?
Wala mo na pong aalis. And now let's have Mr. Jose Indigo Liwag.
How did this come to be? I don't know how you found me.
Wala ho bang palakpakan
When I
dyan?
saw you deep inside my heart, I knew, baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be. With all my heart and soul,
I give my love to heaven home.
and as far as I can see, you were always meant to be my destiny.
Next, we have Mr. Chris Manala.
I wanted someone like you, someone that I could hold on to and give my love until the end of time.
But forever was just a word.
Just a word.
Something not only heard about, but now you're always there for me. When you say forever, I believe.
And now let's move on to Mr. Arvin J. Santos.
You and I were meant to be. With all my heart and soul,
I give my love to heaven home.
and as far as I can see, you were always meant to be
My destiny. Oh,
maybe all we need is just a little faith. 'Cause baby, I believe.
And now let's move on to the next bachelor. We have Mr. John Ari Santos.
Baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be. With all my heart and soul,
I give my love to heaven home.
and as far as I can see,
From now until eternity.
you were always meant to be.
Another rose will be coming from Mr. Lance Serra.
You're my destiny.
Nawawala na po ang ating masigabong palakpakan. still have 30 minutes to dance. Joke lang. Alright, now let's have another rose from Mr. Justin Taksan.
Ito na ang kantang hinihintay na.
Alam mo bang palakpakan dyan?
Ito ng pagkakataon na sabihin sa'yo ang nararamdaman ng puso ko. Matagal ko nang gustong sabihin ito. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal.
And now, let's move on to Mr. Steven Paroma.
Isayaw ng mabagal. Hawak kamay, pikit mata, sumasabay sa musika. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal.
Ilalagay ang iyong kamay sa aking bewang.
Isasabay sa tugtog ng kanta ating katawan. Handa-handahang matitikip.
And now, let us now acknowledge one of the most loved and important persons in Kiss's life. This time, to dance with her, let's welcome her ever lovable and supported dad. We have Daddy Christian Abad.
Hawak kamay, pikit mata,
Alam mo bang masigamo? Palakpakan dyan.
Back when I was a child,
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now having the father and daughter
all the
dance.
innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep.
Ang taong unang
Then up the
nagmahal
stairs
kay
he would
Kisses,
carry me,
ang dating pinapalo
and I
lamang,
knew for sure
ang dating
I
pinapagalitan.
was loved.
Ngayon ay talaga nga namang si Kisses ay handang-handa na. Naharap niya ng mga pagsubok sa buhay. Kasama pa rin ang kanyang mga mahal na magulang.
Another dance with him. I'd play a song that would
Ladies and gentlemen, bakit di po natin ibigay ang masigamong palakpakan para sa magamang nagsasayaw sa ating bulwagan? Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the dad of our debutant, Mr. Daddy Christian Abad, palakpakan po natin sila.
get my way, I would run.
Ma'am Lynn, bawal pa pong umiyak.
He'd make me laugh just to comfort me. Yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mom
Daddy, kaya mo bang iikot si Kisses? Minsan lang. Ikot mo siya. Ayan, ikot. Ayan.
He left the dollar under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be
Alam po bang palakpakan dyan? There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our 18 roses. And that ends our segment. Ngayon po ay tinatawagan na po natin Kuya Buboy. Kuya Buboy, punta dito sa harapan. Next, we have
Si Epong.
Epong.
Wait lang. Si Chris po.
Chris, tatlo na. Alright.
Aris.
Aris. Ilan na? 4 na. Doon ba alam panlaban doon? Ba't may panlaban din?
Si Kuya Renz po.
Kuya Renz. Alright. May gusto pa po bang sumali sa game na ito? Gawin na nating 6 last. Alright, top 6.
Kuya EJ po.
Kuya AJ. Alright. Tara po dito. Unang tinawag si Kuya Cesar. Next, we have... Sino yung sumunod kanina? Magbabay muna po tayo kay Kisses. Ayan, babay ka muna sa... Hindi mo makikita, syempre. It's a surprise. Alright, babay dalaga. Everybody. Kanan, tungtong kanan. Tungtong kanan na! Ayan. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the most important, ayun eh, to the much awaited part of this program or celebration. Welcome to Mr. Pogi 2024. Palakpakan po natin ang ating 6 na kandidato. Alright, sa ating pong competition, maglalaro lamang po ito sa 3. Una po ay introduction. Papakilala po sila. Halimbawa, rarampa muna. Contestant number 1, rampa. And of course, hello, good evening. My name is Sansing Redmar. Tapos, hindi mawawala ang pick-up line. Guys, mag-isip na kayo. For example, yellow ka ba? Everybody, yellow ka ba? Ang sarap mo kasi ipukpok sa badir eh. Mga ganun lang. Chris, where are you going? Next, after po no magpakilala, ang susunod na competition is the talent competition. Sasayaw po sila sa harapan natin, isa-isa. Kung ano man po patugtog ni DJ, budots man yan, jumbo. Ops! Sir! Bawal pong, Okay. Next is the question and answer. And it's very simple. It is just answerable by yes or no lang. Basta mamaya na po malalaman. Alright, and to start, we have, pag tinawag ko pa, palakpakan po sana ha. Guys, palakpakan po natin si contestant number 1.
Mr. Worldwide to infinity. You know the roof on fire.
Palakpakan yung kinakabahan eh. Kasi
like the roof on fire. We go drink drinks and take shots until we fall out like the roof on fire. Now baby, get my booty naked, take off all your clothes and light the roof on fire.
Ginawa mo talagang mic stand yung kamay ko.
Ako po, si Chris Manalang. Ito, pick up line. Ketchup ka ba? Kasi, bagay ka sa hotdog ko.
Alright, palakpakan po natin sa contestant na pahabeya yun, syempre. At yung mananalo, nakadepende sa palakpakan natin. So kung sino magpapatawa sa atin, siya ang mananalo at makakatanggap ng mga prizes. Alright, let's have contestant number 2!
Cesar Basilio, 18, at naniniwala sa kasabihan, kung sawi ka sa pag-ibig, kumain ka ng sisig.
May kasabihan, wala siyang pero may kasabihan. Oo nga naman, pag kumain ka ng sisig na puro mantika, tingnan ko, makita mo ang anghel na hinahanap mo. And now, let's have contestant. Guys, pila pa rin. Pwede kayo umupo muna tayo yung mga naghihintay. Alright, yung mga nakatapos, pwede na pa. Contestant number 3! Alam mo palakpakan dyan para kay contestant number 3.
I'm a fireball.
Para Miss Universe lang.
Renz Jan Joseph Basilio. Dapat pagpipili ka ng damit, dapat tulad ko. Simple lang pero bagay sa'yo.
Alright. Maganda yung mga marami siguro mga chicks tong bata na ito. Now, let's have contestant number 4! Nagtulak ang...
Tayo ka ba? My name is Denaris B. Santos. Tayo ba kayo? Bakit? Oo, tayo kayo.
Alright. Hindi ako manalo ka. Huwag natin iboboto yun, ha? Okay, and now let's have contestant number 5!
Fireball.
Manuel Basilio, 18. Lugaw ba kayo? Kasi bagay kayo sa itlog.
Sabi ko na, ayoko na ituloy yung segment na to, ma'am eh. Pero okay lang, it's a party. Alright, let's complete our candidate. Let's have candidate number 6.
I'm a fire.
Ami Pasla.
I'm Jerome Basilio, 18. 18. Floor wax ba kayo? Kasi mahal ko kayo. Sorry, nadulas ako eh.
Pwede, alright. And now, we are done with the first part of our competition, which is the introduction. Now, let's move on to the next part, which is the talent competition. Okay, pila po uli. Pili ko, ano request nyo? Jumbo hotdog, budots. Number 1 po. Pag tinawag ko, step forward, tapos ipakita yung talento nyo sa pagsasayaw. Alright? Kuya, Buboy. Alright, number 1 po. Dito, pila po uli. Sige na, madali lang po ito. Alright, 1, 2. Sige na po. DJ, let's have our talent competition contestant number 1. Palakpakan naman po. 5, 6, 7. Hey! Let's have contestant number 2. Hey! Hey! Suabe! Hey! Hindi papatalo si contestant number 3. Sino po si 3? Number 3. Number 3. And contestant number 4. And now let's have contestant number 5. Suave. And now to complete contestant number 6. Alright. Okay po, last na po. We are done with the second part. Now let's move on to the last part of our competition. Alright. Last na. Q&A na tayo, Q&A. Very simple lang. It's answerable by yes or no. Parang ganun lang. Okay? Sige po, ito po lang ang mga tanong bago natin ma-identify kung sino po ang ating magiging Mr. Pogi ngayong gabi. Meron lang po tayo isang tanong at bawal lang pong maulit ang sagot. Ang katanungan ay, 1 taon na kayo ng inyong jowa at binigyan kanya ng pagkakataon na ikis siya sa kahit anong parte ng kanyang katawan. Saan mo siya ikikiss? Wala nang bakit. Contestant number 1.
Sa kamay.
Kamay, pwede. Kinakabahan sila. Ano kayo? Next.
Sa noo.
Noo.
Sa pisngi.
Sa pisngi, pwede. Kala ko tae. Okay, next.
Sa lips po.
Lips. Ang sweet ng batang ito, ano? Next.
Noo po.
May noo na po ba? Wala pa. Meron na
Ilong na lang po.
Ilong. And of course, we have
Sa ulo po.
sa ulo. And now, dahil mabait po ang ating debutant ng mga magulang po nang nagdebut, ay ibibigay na po natin ang inyong kahilingan. Tinatawagan na po na, ay, sorry, sana po andito yung makeup artist, ikikis sa noo, ikikis sa kamay. Sayang, ang malas nyo, hindi nyo nakis. Ang ganda pa naman, no? There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan po natin sila. Wala po kasi makeup artist, tulog daw po. Gusto nyo pa ako na lang po? Pwede? Ang sabi ng survey ay? No. Alright, there you have it. Palakpakan po natin sila. Alright. Ngayon po, sino po ba ang mananalo? Okay? Sino po o maghiyawal palakpakan ang gustong manalo? Si contestant number 1. 1, 2, 3, 7. Okay. Sino ang gustong manalo? Si contestant number 2. 1, 2, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12. Next, contestant number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. 42, wow. Leading si contestant number 4. Contestant number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 37, 38, 41. And contestant number 6. 1, 2, 3. Ay, meron dito, oh. 93. 94. Ay, 94. So it means congratulations to candidate number 6, our Mr. Pogi 2024. Maraming salamat po mga sir. At dahil dyan bago ibigay ang prize, sasayawan pa niya tayo minsan ng isa pa, Jumbo Hotdog! Hey, hey, hey! Nadali mo kami. Thank you so much. And now, while we are waiting, di pa po ba tapos si Dalaga? Medyo malaki pa kasi yung gown. Ituloy na po natin ang ating trivia question. Another 5 questions. And if you know the answer, in her blue balloon gown, alam po ba ang palakpakan dyan? Alright, tingin ka naman sa amin, Dalaga. Ayan, napakagandang bata. Manang-mana sa MC. Charis. Hindi, sa katabi po ng MC. Ito yung mama niya. Alright. Now, let's move on to the next symbol, which is the 18 shots. Alright? The 18 shots is meant to symbolize an expression of goodwill and honor to the debutant. And to start, ladies and gentlemen, pumila na po dito ang ating 18 shots. Let's have Alright, let's have Mr. Cesar Basilio. Once again, palakpakan po natin Mr. Cesar Basilio. Next, we have, of course, Mr. Charles Louis Basilio. Next, we have Charles, Miss Hannah Grace Basilio. Alright, after these 2 symbols po ay kakain na rin po tayo. Ayan. Kaya nga lang po bago ako magpakain, paano kung malalaman ko sinong table lang tatawagin ko kung wala pong palakpakan. Alright. Next, we have Mr. Jerome Basilio. Mr. Jerome Basilio. Next, we have Mr. John Emmanuel Basilio. Palakpakan naman dyan. Miss Micah Isobel Basilio. We have Mr. Renz Basilio. Next, we have Mr. Ruth Hazel Basilio. Mukhang dito itatawagin kong una niya. Si Mami ka talaga, no? Yes, I love it. Next, we have Miss Charlene Carrasco. Next, we have Miss Janela Althea Cortez. Next, we have Miss Chris Saint Galardo. All right, next, we have Miss Angel Legaspi. After Ma'am Angel Legaspi, we have Mr. Jose Inigo Liwag. Nakikipagpalakasan po ng palakpak sa inyo, no? All right, we have Miss Crazy Marie Magisa. Next, of course, we have Mr. John Ari Santos. Next, we have Miss Nicole Taladro. And of course, to complete, we have Mr. Tristan Toscano. Alright. Of course, hindi agad-agad nating isi-shot yan. So, magkakaroon muna tayo ng short activity as requested, of course, by the debutant. Alright? Picture muna. Tristan, kayo lang muna dalawa, anak. Alright. So, syempre, sa isang birthday celebration, hindi mawawala yung happy birthday song, tama? Tama, mali? Tama. Ngayon ay kakantahan natin si Kisses ng Happy Birthday, but with a twist. Alright? Kung sino pa rin yung pinakamagaling, bibigyan pa rin ng regalo. At syempre, kakanta tayo ng Happy Birthday individually, of course, ng favorite animal nyo, na yung sound ng favorite animal nyo. At bawal maulit. Alright? Okay, let's start with, guys, tito-tita, kung sino pinakamagaling na kumanta ng Happy Birthday to you with animal sound will be our winner for this segment. Bago tayo mag-cheers. Alright? Saan nyo gustong mauna? Dito o doon? Dito. Alright, dito na lang para mag-isip yung mga taga-kabila. Alright. Ready ka na, Kuya Jerome? Okay. Huwag nyo nang i-reveal. Okay, ka anong animal. Basta, kantahin nyo na lang. 3, 2, 1, go!
Meow 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 meow.
Wow. Isa siyang pusa. Pusa. Alright. Next, we have, kilala mo yung vlogger na yun. Alright. Tignan natin to. 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Arp, 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 arp. Arp, arp, arp. Arp, 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 arp.
Isa kang aso. Alright? Next, we have...
Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet.
Isa kang ibon. Ito si Kuya Buboy ni Kisses. 3, 2, 1, go!
Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me.
May vibrato. Wow. Okay, next. Come on, in 3, 2, 1, go. Ano yun? Ano yung unggoy? Kaya pala sabi mo, bagay. Next.
Horanghe.
Alright. Next. Go. Isa siyang, ano yon? Ahas. Okay, ma'am. Naku, ito na. Parang naubusan na sila. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go!
Kwak, 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 kwak. Kwak, 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 kwak. Kwak, 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 kwak. Kwak, 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 kwak.
Okay, isa kang tatlong bibe. Okay. Ay, hindi pwedeng wala anak ng akahiya. Nag-estudyante pa kita. Baka na di kita tinuruan ng mga animal sounds. Okay? Isip. 1, 2, 3, go.
Mu, 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 mu.
Isa kang multo. Okay, charot. Mu means sa baka po yun. Ma'am, tama po ba ako? Okay, next. Pag mahirap na baka, mo. Gano'n, pag mu. Okay? Ma'am, in 3, 2, 1, go. Isip.
Wait lang po.
Babalikan ka namin. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Coca, 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 Coca. Ayun na.
Alright, ready ka na, ma'am? In 3, 2, 1, go.
Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink.
Ready ka na, ma'am? Go.
Tititik, tilaok. Tititik, tilaok. Tititik, tik, tititik, tik, tik, titilaok.
Ayan, titilao. Isa kang ang tandang ano, okay? Ready, ma'am? Nako. Dalawa kayo lalapas. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Meron po nun.
May nagrara ba kanina? Nag-Katy Perry? Meron, babalikan ka namin, sir. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Tututuko, tuko, tututuko, tuko, tututuko, tuko, 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 tuko.
Ko. Ma'am, kayo na. Dapat kumpleto tayo. 1, 2, 3, go!
Kahirap sir, wait lang po.
Sige. Kaya this year. Ma'am. Sino pa? 3, 2, 1, go!
Kwak, 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 kwak.
Gansa daw siya. Hindi daw siya. Okay, kakaka. 1, 2, 3, go!
Kwak, 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 kwak. Kwak, 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 kwak. Kwak, 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 kwak. Kwak, 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 kwak.
Sino na lang? Dapat lahat kasama sa kahihiyan. 1, 2, 3, go! Ano yan? Malaman lang. Daga. Okay na tayo? Ay, meron pa, sir. In 3, 2, 1, go! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan po natin ang ating 18 shots. And of course, dalaga, halika dito. Okay, ikot tayo para dapat nasa bara. Dalaga dito ka sa gitna. Make a circular form of line. Ikot tayo. Ikot muna bago mag-picture. Okay, ikot, ikot, ikot. Okay. Okay, kunya nasa bar tayo Ready? 1, harap doon. DJ, bigyan mo kami ng pang-bar dyan. Total nakapang-pisim naman si Dalaga. Alright. 1, 2. Ikot tayo. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 8. Alright. Ganyan muna. Sige, ikot. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and. Alright. 8. Okay, and of course, papunta na po tayo sa linya. Pagka-count ko po ng 3, 2, 1, go. Sisigaw kayo ng happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday kisses. God bless you. Cheers. Tapos inom, ha? Alright, ulitin po natin. Practice muna. Practice muna, guys. In 3, 2, 1, go. Happy 18th. Okay, ulitin. 5, 6, 7, go. Cheers! Lahat po kayo, wait lang. Lahat sisigaw ng cheers tapos iinumin. Ready? Ladies and gentlemen, our 18 shots! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan po natin ang ating 18 shots. Si Kuya Buboy niya naghahanap ng red horse, ano? Alright, picture. Alright. And we are done, of course, with the 4th birthday symbol. Mga ma'am and sir, may isa na lamang po. And after this, kakain na po tayo. Okay pa po ba tayo? Hep, hep! Alright, kayang-kaya pa para kay Kisses. Alright, ready na po ang ating 18 candles. Message niyo po para sa inyong anak.
Anak, Kisses, I'm so proud of the person you have become. Watching you grow into a kind, compassionate, and intelligent young woman has been one of the greatest joys of my life. Happy birthday, my dear daughter. On your special day, I just want to let you know how much you mean to me. It is with great pleasure that I extend my warmest birthday wishes to you today, the day of your debut. As you step in the spotlight of adulthood, remember that your debut is a reflection of the strong, beautiful individual you become. I hope all your dreams come true. I love you, my dear daughter, anak.
Ala po bang palakpakan dyan?
Anak, Kisses, happy birthday. So, kagaya nga ng sinabi ko sa'yo, gagawin namin ni mami mo yung maibigay sa'yo yung ganito kabonggang celebration, di ba? So, nakita mo naman kahit na si daddy mo nasa bahay lang, ayan, nabigyan ka namin ng ganitong celebration. And ang wish lang namin sa'yo, mas lumaki ka pang mabait na anak, mas sumipag ka pa sa bahay, mas gumising ka pa ng maaga, okay, mas gumaling ka pa sa pagluluto, okay? Yan anak. Sa mga kapatid mo, mas bumait ka pa. Gets mo ba ako? Alam mo na, ano? Happy birthday, anak. I love you.
Aww. Ala po bang palakpakan dyan? Alright, now let's move on to Mrs. Donna Badwa and Mrs. Princess de Guzman. Upo muna po tayo sa ating mga upuan. Tatawagin na lang po namin kayo mamaya. Once again, after po nito ay kakain na po tayo. Let's just finish this birthday symbol. Once again, Mrs. Donna Badwa and Mrs. Princess de Guzman.
Kisses, happy 18th birthday. Wish you all the best in life, happiness and success, and may all your dreams come true. Again, happy birthday and God bless.
Happy birthday, Kisses. Maraming salamat sa pag-imbita mo sa amin. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, mga ma'am. Now, let's have another candles from Mrs. Maricar Lalas and Mrs. Vance Marie Manukot. Ma'am, nasan po yung mess? Ite-text nyo na lang po. Next, we have Miss Jacinto Baltasar Campo and Mrs. Grace Ortiz.
humble, sweet, and pretty always. God bless you.
Nilalagnat si Papa kaya ako muna yung proxy niya. Ako na lang magbibigay ng message. Happy birthday, Kisses. Now na nasa legal age ka na, don't put too much pressure on yourself pa din. And always remember to enjoy life. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana makamit mo lahat ng mga dreams mo in life, but don't lose yourself in the process. In short, always prioritize your mental health and happiness.
Alright, next po, tita. Next, we have Ma'am Aida Sera. Nawawala na po ang ating palakpakan. Upo muna po tayo, tapos mamaya po ay babalikan natin ang ating debutante.
Happy birthday, Kisses. Nasabi ko na kanina yung message. Oh, yun lang.
Alright. Just have a photo op with debutante. Now let's move on to Mrs. Diana Pinpin and Mrs. Iris Salipsim. Ala po bang palakpakan dyan? Malapit na po tayong kumain. Tinitignan ko po ang laging pumapalakpak. Katakot. Ayan!
Kisses, happy 18th birthday, and God bless, stay pretty as your mother, Ma'am Lynn, napaka-pretty, yun lang. Salamat.
Happy birthday, Kisses. Napakaswerte mo kasi hindi lahat ng ganyang edad ay nabibigyan ng pagkakataon na mag-celebrate ng ganito kabongga. So, maging thankful ka sa parents mo and salamat kasi naging part ako ng memorable na gabing ito ng buhay mo. Yun lang. Happy birthday. God bless.
Alright, thank you so much mga tita for gracing this momentous event in Kessa's life. And now let's have Mr. Reggie Santos and Miss Ruth Hazel Basilio.
Kisses, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana matupad mo lahat ng iyong pangarap. Happy birthday.
Ayun, nasabi ko na kanina, pero ano pa ba? I wish na patuloy mo pang pagbutihan yung pag-aaral mo at sana good health and enjoy mo lang yung buhay at wag masyadong seryoso. Kasi pag masyadong seryoso, ayan, papangit ka. Oh, di ba? Tingnan mo naman kami, di ba? So, enjoy lang kasi lahat naman ay lilipas. Ayan. Isang araw makikita mo, nandun ka na. So, ayan. Happy birthday ulit.
Thank you so much po. And now let's have Ma'am Roda Cortez and Mami Teresita Abad. Alam mo bang palakpakan dyan?
Hello, Apo. Sana ngayong araw na ito ay
ang iyong karawan. At sana ay pagbuti mo ang iyong pag-aaral. Matulad ka sa iyong daddy na masikap. At huwag mong pababayaan ang iyong mga kapatid at mga magulang. Hanggang sa kanilang pagtanda. Yung mga sinasabi ko sa iyo na yan ay yung tatandaan. Huwag mong kalilimutan. Pagpatuloy mo lang yan, yung mga pangarap ay yung makakamtan. Salamat. Happy birthday.
Alright. Thank you so much,
Happy birthday
Lola.
ulit. Nasabi ko na kanina, yung message ko. God bless you. Ingat lagi.
Thank you so much po. And now, let's move on to Mr. Eduardo Basilio and Mr. Erwin Basilio.
Happy 18th birthday, Kisses. May you embrace every opportunity to learn, grow and discover your passion. Cherish the moments with loved ones, pursue your dreams with determination, and remember that each day chance to create meaningful life. May this year be filled with happiness, success, and unforgettable memories.
Chat GPT. Charis.
Happy birthday, Pangken. Sana matupad mo ang iyong mga pangarap at huwag ka munang mag-aasawa kaagad. Mga nanliligaw sa'yo, hayaan mo lang ali-aligid sila. Yun lang. Happy birthday uli.
Alright. A wise message from her tito. Hayaan muna daw yung mga manliligaw. Alam niyo, pag nakatapos tayo sa pag-aaral, magpipila-pila yan. Kaya wag minamadali. And to complete our 18 candles, we have Miss Crisane Galardo. Miss Crisane Galardo. All right.
Ayan, proxy daw ako, nagulat ako. So, ayan, happy 18th birthday, Kisses. Sabi nila, huwag ka daw mag-boyfriend. Pero, joke. Pwede, wag mo lang sabihin. Hindi, joke lang. Magtapos ka muna, tignan mo ako. Pero, dapat mag-boyfriend ka na talaga kasi mahirap na pag graduate na. Hindi, joke lang. Dapat, pwede, K-pop. K-pop lang muna tayo. Happy birthday, sabi ni Sir, habaan ko daw. Totoo po ba?
30 minutes pa.
Happy birthday. At ayun nga, sabi nga na, yung mga pinsan mo, nandito lang kami for you. And kung sana mag-aral kang mabuti. And pray lang lagi. Tiwala lang lagi kay Lord. At yun lang. Happy birthday. Stay pretty and kind.
All right, that concludes our 18 candles. And for the photo op, once again, let's call in our 18 candles. So please proceed to the center stage with our debutant for the photo op. Okay, tinuulit po namin. Inaanyayahan ko po muli ang ating 18 candles para po sa isang picture taking kasama ang ating debutant. And after this, we will be having our favorite part. Ayun, palakpakan uli. Talaga nga naman. Isa pong picture na walang sinde. Tapos isa pong picture na may sinde po lahat. Ano po? Let's just have a photo op. Okay, picture taking po. Pakita po natin ang kandila. Smile. In 3, 2. Can we have a lighter po? Sir, lighter. Wala mo na po aalis. Sisindihan po natin yan. Yossi. Pero sino po merong lighter? Hindi po mahiram for a while. Ayan po. Lighter po, mga sir. Wala po talaga. Wait lang po we need lighter. Sige po. Sige po, ma'am. Antayin po namin kayo. Sige, bago yan, mag-interview muna tayo. Okay, Lola. Bilang Lola po ni Kisses, mga ilang taong ba dapat pwedeng mag-boyfriend si Kisses kung tatanungin po kayo? Wait lang, payag po ba kayo kanina mag-boyfriend? Okay lang.
Boyfriend. Pwede mag-boyfriend, kaya lang, huwag mo na mag-aasawa.
Ngayon, okay. Kailan po siya pwedeng laro-laro lang, bahay-bahayan, ganon. Kailan po siya pwedeng mag-boyfriend at kailan siya pwedeng mag-asawa?
Pwede mag-boyfriend, kaya lang ngayon lang. Pero tapusin muna niya ang pag-aaral niya at nang matupad na lahat ng pangarap niya.
Ayun. Anak, tatapusin muna ha ang pag-aaral. Okay. Sino ang kababata dito ni Kisses? Yun ang kasamang lumaki. Dito. Hindi, dito lang po. Ay, ayan na, may lighter na. Guys, ang tanong na lang. Describe mo nga si Kisses. Sabi niya, ikaw daw eh. Ibulgar mo nga si Kisses. Sino ba siya nung bata siya?
Nung bata po si Kisses, mataray talaga siya. Di siya ngumingiti. Tapos kasi aircon sila nun eh. Kaya hindi kami nakakapasok. Joke.
Alright. Kutis porcelana, aircon. Alright, sige po, sindi na po natin and share the light with the other candles po. Picture muna po. Ma'am, iwas po sa po. Baka mapapakad. Alright, picture muna po bago ko po sila iayos, sir. In 3, 2. Ngayon po ay, Kisses, punta ka dito sa akin muna. And of course, yung dalawa po niyang magulang doon po sa tabi ng cake. Doon po kayo sa tabi ng cake. Tapos po tayo po, in between po. Dito po, ma'am. Sige po, layuan po natin ng konti. Half circle po. Ayan, layo-layo po ng konti. Sige pa po, ma'am. Ayan. Tapos yung dalawang parents po niya, dito po sa pwede na rin po nating sindihan. Alright. Alright. At this moment, our debutant will blow the candle of her special cake. So I invite for the last time our guests, family and friends. So please all rise. Tatayo po tayong lahat. Tatayo po ang lahat. Tatayo po ang lahat. Tatayo po ang lahat. Because at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to sing a happy birthday song for Kisses. In 3, 2, upuan. Kung sino po ang pinaka-energetic na table, yun po ang una kong tatawagin. Pinakamalakas kumanta, pinakamasaya, siya ang una kong tatawagin. To start. Ay, once again, let's sing happy birthday to you for kisses! Patingin.
Happy birthday to you.
Mukhang mahina.
Happy birthday to you.
Nakasampa.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
With energy. And happy birthday to you. Sa iyong pagsilak. Again, happy birthday. Alright, talaga. Sige, blow mo muna yung sa mami at daddy mo. Ay, sorry. Alright. Ayan na, dito tayo sa cake. Pagitnaan nyo pa, ayan, dyan po si Dalaga. Ngayon po, Kisses, harap ka sa medyo harap ka sa amin. Ayan. Huwag mong kalilimutan mag-wish. Of course, para sa mga tao nagmamahal. Pagka-blow po niya, sabay-sabay po tayong sisigaw na or babati ng Happy birthday, Kisses. God bless you. Palakpakan. Kakain na po tayo nun. Alright? Nagkakaintindihan po ba? Hep, hep! Try lang po Ayan, nag-blow na po si Kisses. Go! Happy birthday, Kisses. God bless you. Palakpakan. Mag-iingay ha. Naka-live po tayo sa ABS-CBN. Okay, Kisses? Sige na, pray ka muna. Ay, ano ka muna? Wish? All right. In 3, 2, 1, go! God bless you! Palakpakan! All right, let's have our favorite part. Kakain na po tayo, but before that, halika Kisses, kasama ang iyong mommy and daddy. Mommy, daddy.
Sa lahat ng mga minamahal naming kaibigan, mahal naming kamag-anak, pinsan, tito, tita, sa mga magulang namin, maraming salamat po sa pagdalo nyo. Alam ko mahalaga po yung time nyo, pero binigyan nyo po ng oras po yung debut ng aming panganay. Maraming salamat. Hindi ko na kayo may isa-isa, pero nakita na po namin kayo. Hindi namin kayo makakalimutan. Maraming salamat. At sa iyo, anak, and yung celebration natin ay patapos na. And ayan, 18 ka na. Sabi nila, hindi ka pa pwedeng mag-boyfriend. Sabi nila, pwede ka na rin mag-boyfriend. It's up to you, anak. Nasa hustong gulang ka na, pero ang importante pa rin yung pag-aaral mo. Yon, happy birthday, anak. I love you.
Thank you po sa lahat po ng mga nakarating po sa araw na to, and especially po sa pamilya ko and then sa side po ng husband ko. Thank you po, and then sa mga kaibigan ko po na mga andito, pamangkin, relatives, and also sa mga classmate niya, friends niya. Thank you sa lahat po, sa inyong lahat. And sa iyo, anak, sabi nila, iba-iba yung sinabi kanina. May gusto, sabi, mag-boyfriend ka na. Yung iba naman, ayaw. Eto, ako, bilang ina, at siyempre, nagdaan din ako noong sa ganyan, nung high school. Kasi nagtanda ko 4th year high school nung sinagot ko yung daddy mo. Ikaw naman nalagpas na, kaya okay na sa akin yan. Go! Sige, pwede na yan. Kasi 18 na eh. Yes, kahit bukas. Wag lang mag-aasawa. Yun, okay na yun. Masaya na ako doon. Yan. And siyempre, yung sa RK Films, thank you nga pala. Napakahusay talaga. Iba eh. And kay Sir Renmar, ito the best. Pinili ko talaga bilang isang MC. Napakahusay talaga. The best ka talaga. Sa lahat talaga. Inisa-isa ko yan. Ang galing mo. And sa hair and makeup artist, kay Enoch Yukasyon, and napakahusay. And then sa kanyang assistant, si Bianca. Yan. Thank you. And also sa cater po. Ayan, sabi ko nga, inisa-isa ko yung mahuhusay talagang cater. Thank you po, Sir Elmar and Ma'am Risa. Sakwan po yan, the best. Napakahusay po talaga nila. Robbie and Liams. And kay Ma'am Chay, Raimundo, yung may-ari po ng Villa Emilia Resort. Thank you po sa talagang pag-assist po sa amin. Sa walang sawa pong pag-chat nating dalawa. Thank you very much. And sa lahat po sa inyo, thank you. And pwede na po tayong kumain. Yun pa raw po yung sa ice cream. Thank you kay Kuya Tony Yakat. Yan po. Thank you po. Sa cake po, NE Bake Shop. Yan, promotion. NE Bake Shop. And sa lechon po kay Carolina Salvador po. Kay Ma'am Carolina. Thank you po. Yan.
At upang ipaliwanag na ang kaganapang ito, bigay na po natin at palakpakan po natin ang dahilan kung bakit andito tayo lahat. Kisses!
So, hello po, good evening po. Quick story lang po. Ayaw na ayaw ko po talaga. Ayaw na ayaw ko po talagang sineselebrate yung birthday ko. Hindi. Ayaw ko po kasing ginagastusan pa ako, pero okay lang po kasi may 18K naman. So, ayun po. Thank you po sa lahat ng umattend, sa mga kaibigan ko, sa pinsan ko, sa buong pamilya ko po. Syempre po, kay Mommy and Daddy who made an effort po para po sa debut na ito. And kay Lord po, syempre. Yun po, thank you po. Pwede na po tayong kumain.